What does it take to craft a path that leads not just to wealth, but to sustainable long-term prosperity? Welcome to the Millionaire Formula, where today's focus is mastering the Millionaire Blueprint for ultimate wealth creation. In the journey towards financial abundance, it's not just about the money you make, but the wisdom you apply in making it. From cultivating the right mindset to strategic planning and smart investments, every step is a crucial part of the blueprint. Join us as we unveil the essential elements of this blueprint, providing you with practical insights and tools to transform your financial destiny. Let's begin our exploration into the art and science of wealth creation. The mindset of a millionaire. Firstly, let's delve into the mindset of a millionaire. This segment explores the psychological traits and thinking patterns that are common among the most successful wealth creators. We'll discuss how mindset is the cornerstone of any successful financial strategy. A millionaire's mindset is not just about a positive attitude. It's a unique blend of ambition, resilience, and a growth-oriented approach to life and business. Millionaires understand that their thoughts and attitudes directly influence their financial success. They cultivate a mindset of abundance, focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles. This way of thinking encompasses goal setting, risk assessment, and continuous learning. They are not deterred by setbacks. Instead, they view them as opportunities to learn and grow. This mindset also involves a strategic approach to decision-making, where every choice is geared towards long-term success. By adopting and nurturing these mental traits, you can lay the foundation for your journey towards becoming a millionaire, demonstrating that wealth creation starts in the mind. Setting and achieving financial goals. In this segment, we focus on the importance of setting and achieving financial goals. We'll break down the process of setting realistic, achievable goals and the strategies to reach them, highlighting how goal setting paves the way for financial growth. Setting financial goals is not just about stating what you want. It's about clearly defining your objectives and creating a structured plan to achieve them. Millionaires set smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals that provide a clear roadmap to success. They break down their overarching vision into smaller, manageable targets, making the journey less overwhelming and more attainable. This process also involves regular monitoring and adaptation of goals to align with changing circumstances and new opportunities. Effective goal setting transforms aspirations into actionable steps, providing motivation and direction. By mastering this skill, you can effectively chart your path to financial success, ensuring that every step you take is a calculated move towards achieving your wealth creation objectives. Smart investment strategies. Next, we'll dive into smart investment strategies. Understanding where and how to invest is crucial in wealth creation. We'll cover various investment avenues and how to navigate them for maximum returns, emphasizing the importance of informed decision-making. Smart investment is not about following trends blindly. It's about making choices based on thorough research, risk assessment, and future potential. Millionaires often diversify their investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and even newer areas like cryptocurrencies and green energy. They stay updated with market trends, economic indicators, and technological advancements, using this knowledge to make strategic investment decisions. It's also about timing, knowing when to invest and when to pull back. This segment will guide you through developing a discerning eye for promising investment opportunities, understanding market cycles, and making decisions that balance risk with potential rewards. By mastering these strategies, you can build a robust investment portfolio that stands the test of time and market fluctuations. Financial literacy and education. Continuing our exploration into financial literacy and education, we delve deeper into the ways successful millionaires use this knowledge as a tool for wealth creation. We'll uncover the secrets behind effective budget management and the art of making money work for you. Discussions will extend to understanding complex financial products and how they can be harnessed to secure and multiply wealth. We'll also highlight the importance of staying abreast of financial laws and regulations, showcasing how this knowledge can be a significant advantage. This segment aims to transform your approach to finance, encouraging a proactive and informed stance that turns theoretical knowledge into practical wealth-building strategies. Remember, in the world of finance, knowledge is not just power, it's profit. Networking and relationships. Expanding on networking and relationships, we'll showcase real-life stories of how powerful connections led to game-changing opportunities in the business world. We'll talk about mastering the art of communication and how to present yourself as both a valuable contact and a credible investor or entrepreneur. This segment will also cover the nuances of online networking in the digital age, tapping into social media and professional platforms to expand your reach. We'll emphasize that it's not just who you know, but how you nurture these relationships that can make all the difference. By the end of this segment, you'll have actionable strategies to expand and enrich your network, turning it into one of your most valuable assets in wealth creation. Wealth management and preservation. In this deeper dive into wealth management and preservation, we will explore cutting-edge tools and techniques used by the wealthy to safeguard their assets. This includes insights into investment diversification strategies, risk management, and the role of insurance in wealth preservation. We'll also discuss the latest in digital asset management, including how to protect and grow wealth in the realm of digital currencies and online investments. This segment is designed to equip you with the necessary skills to not just build but maintain and grow your wealth, ensuring it withstands the test of time and economic changes. By understanding and applying these principles, you position yourself to join the ranks of savvy investors who don't just accumulate wealth, but preserve it for generations. Philanthropy and social responsibility. Elaborating on philanthropy and social responsibility, we will highlight how aligning wealth creation with ethical and social goals can lead to more meaningful and sustainable success. We'll discuss the concept of impact investing and how this approach can yield both financial and societal rewards. This segment will also explore the psychological benefits of philanthropy, including how giving back can lead to personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose. We'll share inspiring stories of millionaires who have made a significant impact through their philanthropic efforts, demonstrating that when wealth is used as a force for good, it can create a legacy that extends far beyond financial figures. This part of the journey isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. That wraps up our session today at the Millionaire Formula. Each step we've explored, from financial literacy to smart investments and philanthropy, is a building block towards your wealth journey. Remember, the path to success is as enriching as the destination itself. Thank you for being with us. If you're ready to take charge of your financial future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to guide you on your path to becoming a millionaire. Until next time.